Hey there, friends. We're going to talk about Norwex for vacation. So whether you're heading to the beach soon, maybe you're going on a road trip, or even doing some fun things at home on a little staycation, I want to share some of my favorite Norwex must-haves for vacations that I never leave home without. So I'm going to start with the body. You roll this and it opens. It's like organic chapstick for your body. And you can use this on your entire body. You can use it on your lips, dry chapped heels, elbows, wind chapped cheeks. So if you do some water sports while you're on vacation, sometimes our cheeks can get a little rosy red. This is great. This is also amazing for burns. So I once had a customer say it helped more than anything else that she used after she got burned by a chicken mishap. It's safer and much more hydrating than stuff that I used to use. And it just really comes in handy in lots of different ways on vacation. And it goes on light, so it's not a thick or greasy feel. It's just totally hydrating for the skin. Now, next up, I don't go on vacation without this, the Mattress Cleaner. Now, this one might sound a little bit extra, but I promise it's a game changer. So things like hotel beds, pillows, car seats, even Airbnb couches, this is a great solution to take on vacation. This spray helps break down allergens and it also freshens the soft surfaces. I always spray it in our space as soon as we arrive. I let it air dry while I'm unpacking and it just gives me some peace of mind. So this reduces the organic matter in the beds, right? Places where we're going to sleep on vacation, which can have a lot of buildup, as well as dust mites, dust mite feces, even body oils from the previous guest. So I love taking this. Next up, I never go on vacation without my body and face cloths. These are non-negotiable. I honestly don't bother packing any cleansers or makeup remover wipes. This microfiber cloth is amazing. You just cleanse your skin with water and they're super gentle. So my face always feels really fresh and clean and not stripped of all the things that I need. Even if I'm just on a sunscreen day, right, where I've been kind of layered in sunscreen all day, or my kids, this is a great way to freshen up at the end of the day. And I love that it comes in lots of different colors. One of my favorites. And honestly, whenever we go on vacation, everyone on the trip has their own. Now, for the kiddos, I love this all-around blanket. This has been a lifesaver when I've traveled with my grandchildren. It's super soft and it's a really nice size. But it also has the back lock in it, which is a silver. So if you have any droolers, that's awesome. And it packs up in this nice little wristlet bag. This is great. Also, if you're in a public place changing a diaper, you can use this to lay over the diaper changing station. It doubles as a beach towel. So it's really great for little kids. I think it's a perfect size. Let's try to get it all in here. I mean, it is an awesome size. And you just wash it with the rest of your Norwex as needed. And it's just so soft. My granddaughter likes to hold on to it like this. Just when we're in the car, she really takes a liking to this. Now, speaking of beach and vacations, we got to talk about our kids' hooded beach towel, which is so adorable. It comes in this cute little drawstring bag that they can wear. And one side is this awesome mesh. So if you have any seashell hunters on the trip with you, it is a great little bag for all the things they might want to take to the beach. And then this is the towel. It's a really nice size. Great for littler kids plus tweens. It also has a hood area where you can get them all snugly and warm after some pool time. Now, we do have some great options for grown-ups too while at the pool or the beach. This is one of our beach towels, which is nice. This is the watercolor print, I think, but it also comes in this nice little bag here, which is a wristlet, and it's also water resistant. So great for your phone, your keys, your hotel room key. You can carry all the essentials. And I'm 6 feet tall, so I know you can't see my whole body right now, but I'm gonna let this touch the ground. And there we go. So really nice size, perfect for laying at the beach on one of the loungers. This is awesome. We also have this other beach towel that I really like as well. It has a zipper pouch for keys and phones. Now, something I never go on a trip without is my every season throw blanket. I guess you could say this is my comfort item, but I get really cold on the airplane or I like to take naps while my husband's driving. So this has always just been really nice, and in my carry-on bag, I've used it so many times. It's fantastic. And I've actually had this for many years, and I have probably used it 30, 40 times. It's just great. You can also use it as a blanket if you're going to an outdoor concert or something like that. So really, really awesome little thing to have. And it does come with this cute little strap, so you can roll it up like a burrito and then just tuck it down in your bag. Now, another thing that I bring on vacation with me is, I know you're gonna think I'm crazy, it is the Norwex dust mitt. All right, you're not gonna be dusting on vacation, okay? Unless you're going to your own Airbnb, but you're probably not gonna be dusting. The reason why I love this for vacation is because it is a great tool when you're leaving the beach, maybe coming into your rental. It wipes away all the sand off of our bodies, off of little one's feet. I mean, there's nothing more uncomfortable than putting your flip-flops on and have tons of sand granules right on your heels. This is great to knock this all off. Also, we can never go to the beach without some sun protection. So this is my go-to. It is reef safe, non-nano, and packed with some amazing antioxidants. So it's also skincare for the skin. It goes on smooth, it works well under makeup, and it's safe to use on babies. Anyone 6 months and up can use this. And when taking little ones on vacation with us, I use this on their whole body. So I love it. And even though it is a mineral sunscreen, it does not leave a white cast. So drop it in the comments. Have you ever tried any of these for your vacations? I would love to hear from you. Many of these are really non-negotiable for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.